Why should you work with me? Well, I have worked in all kinds of mediums. I illustrated and wrote my own children's book series. I have worked on children's television shows, comedy, stand-up, songwriting, pop music. Made a few documentaries, done a ton of voiceover work and cabaret. I've written a musical, and I've been teaching the arts for 20 years. I also really try to make a beautiful open space for people to communicate their deepest, most passionate ideas without feeling judged, without feeling ridiculed, and without feeling hurt. I've had so many teachers over the years. Some were wonderful teachers and some were horrible. I have garnered the things that have worked, and because I've taught and operated in so many artistic mediums, I feel that I have a really good indication of what works and what doesn't. Because once you start creating, there's no limit to what you can do. So join me for the 8-week workshop, Finding Your Creative Clarity, with me, Barbara Heller. We're gonna have a taste of the workshop coming up. So if you have a friend who might be interested in this sort of thing, please forward this very video because I'd love to meet them.